According to CARFAX.com, CARFAX receives data from more than 100,000 different sources, including every U.S. motor vehicle agency, plus many police and fire departments, collision repair facilities, auto auctions, and more. The CARFAX database is the most comprehensive vehicle history database in North America, containing more than 17.5 billion records. Records included in each CARFAX report reveal important information about a car's history, such as an odometer reading, existence of a branded salvage title, or past registration as a fleet vehicle. Now, keep in mind, a CARFAX report may not include every event in a vehicle's history, but will include the data that is reported to CARFAX for a specific vehicle identification number. To learn more about a vehicle's history, inspect it in person during your test drive.